Să pun în practică cuvintele mele. Să.
A particle indicating the subjunctive mood. It doesn't have a direct translation in English, but it sets the verb that follows in a mood expressing a wish, suggestion, or necessity. It's pronounced roughly as
Suh.
with a short, unstressed
U.
sound. Its presence here suggests the speaker's intent or desire to put their words into practice.
Pun.
The first person singular present form of the verb,
A pune.
which means to put, or to place. Pronounced
Poon.
It's the core action verb in the sentence. It describes the act of putting something into practice.
În.
A preposition meaning in, or into. Pronounced
In.
like the English word. It shows the location or direction of the action. Here, it signifies the movement of the words.
Into.
Practical application.
Practică.
A noun meaning practice, or practical application. Pronounced
Practecuh.
It highlights the intended outcome of the action. It's the target or destination of the
Putting.
action.
Cuvintele.
The plural form of the noun,
Cuvânt.
which means word. Pronounced.
Cuvintele.
It's the object of the verb.
Pun.
It indicates the things that are being put into practice.
Mele.
A possessive pronoun meaning my. Pronounced.
Mehleh.
It shows that the words being put into practice belong to the speaker. Putting it together
Să pun în practică cuvintele mele.
means, I will put my words into practice. Let me put my words into practice, or, may I put my words into practice. The exact nuance depends on the context, but it conveys the speaker's intention to act upon what they have said.